This morning I thought I would make a berry blast smoothie for breakfast since it is a healthy alternative to what I could be eating. And you really don't need much for this. Some strawberries, bananas, blueberries, beets, spinach, fat-free yogurt, water, and just a little dab of honey to sweeten things up. So it's nice and colorful, and it should be absolutely tasty as well. So I'll first start by adding in my fruit. And I'll put the spinach on top because I can just kind of stuff it in there. It looks like a lot, but it really isn't. It will blend right down. Now that my fruit is added, I'm just going to go ahead and add in just maybe 2 spoonfuls of fat-free yogurt, and that'll help make it nice and creamy. And then I'll come in with the honey, just a little bit. And then now I will go ahead and add in some water, and I want to make sure I don't go past my fill line, which I cannot see, but that should be okay. And I'll go ahead and mix it up. So the variety of colors in the fruits and vegetables did make it a little bit of a weird color, but don't let that fool you because this is ultra tasty. Have a great day.